Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the phone off and eject SIM and any memory card so nothing moves while you work. Use a small Phillips or pentalobe screwdriver, a suction cup, and plastic picks. A wrist strap prevents static damage. Apply steady heat at about 60 to 80 degrees Celsius to the screen edge for 30 to 60 seconds to soften the adhesive. This loosens glue without warping the frame. Once the adhesive yields, use the suction cup and a pick to lift the glass a few millimeters and create a gap. Once you have a gap, remove the back plate or mid-frame screws and lift the housing carefully. Keep screws grouped by location so reassembly is simple. Locate and remove any metal shield plates over the display connectors, and then disconnect the digitizer and LCD ribbon cables. You must depress the tiny latches to avoid tearing. If the LCD is separated from the glass, gently pry it away. Replace the LCD assembly when pixels are dead, black, or showing lines. Make sure connectors are clean and aligned before proceeding. Reconnect the LCD and digitizer ribbons firmly, reseat any metal shields, and only reconnect the battery after display plugs are secured. This prevents shorts. Boot the phone and test touch response, color uniformity, backlight, and proximity sensor. If anything fails, power down and recheck connector seating. Once testing is clean, apply new adhesive strips or pre-cut frame adhesive, align the screen, and clamp lightly for 2 to 5 minutes to seat it. If problems persist, flip the connector gently, clean contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.